Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chandra Edu. In this video, I want to share about how to use COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. COUNTIF function in Excel usually can be used to count how many cells that contain a specific criteria. So before we continue this explanation, please subscribe my channel and then turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we have data. We have a table about ABC Maju Makmur Corporation employee salary December 2021. Here there are 4 columns: code of employee, name of the employee, the grade of the employee, and then salary of the employee. And here we have a blank semi-blank table that we want to fulfill the table with the data from this table. So here the recapitulation salary December 2021, and here there is a column grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and we want to know the total of the employee with the grade 1, how many employee, grade 2, how many employee, and grade 3 and grade 4. Yeah. To count how many employee with the grade 1, we can use the formula, or we can use the function COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. So here we can just type equal COUNTIF, then open parenthesis. Here the COUNTIF, we have a clue how to use this formula, how to use this function. COUNTIF, open parenthesis, range, comma, criteria. Range here is where we want to count. So if we want to count how many employees that have grade 1, so we have to select all the column of grade. Here from the C6 until the end, until the C15. Okay, and then comma. The criteria here is the grade, so here we choose F5, and then close parenthesis, press enter. Here we have the total of employee with grade 1 is 2. So if we manually check and count how many employee with grade 1, let's see, 1 and 2 and no other. Okay, it's correct that the total of employee with grade 1 is 2. Then we want to know how many employee with grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4. We can copy from this formula, but before we copy this formula, we have to lock the ring. So when we copy down this formula, the ring is just fixed in this C6 until C15. So we can block the ring, and then we press F4 until there are symbol dollar here, dollar, 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 and dollar. Okay, press enter. And if we want to copy this formula down to get the grade 2, 4, 3 and 4, we can move our cursor to the right down here, okay, bottom right, until there is a symbol small plus here, and then press the click button, click and drag down. Okay, release. Okay, here the total of employee with grade 2 is 3, grade 3 is 2, and grade 4 is 3. Okay, let's check it manually. So here for grade 4 there are a total of employee 3. Manually check 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's right. Okay, that's all about formula countif function in Excel. So I think it's so easy, and thank you for watching my video. Okay guys, once again thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any question about this video, about this topic, about this countif function in Excel, you can write it in column comment. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next video.